Hello, friends. Welcome to Escapeonism, where you will get all the information for your trip to your dream destination. Today, the place that we have selected is generally termed as City of Lights, that is Paris. France's capital is a major European city and a global center for art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture. Paris is the most populous city of France. Paris is specially known for its museums and architectural landmarks. The Louvre was the most visited art museum in the world. The name Paris is derived from its early inhabitants, the Gallic Parisii tribe. The meaning of the Gaulish name Parisii is debated. Paris is often referred to as City of Lights because of its leading role during the Age of Enlightenment, and more literally because Paris was one of the first large European cities to use gas street lighting on a grand scale on its boulevards and monuments. Inhabitants are known in English as Parisians. They are also pejoratively called Perigots. Paris has a typical Western European oceanic climate which is affected by the North Atlantic current. The overall climate throughout the year is mild and moderately wet. Summer days are usually warm and pleasant with average temperatures between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius and a fair amount of sunshine. Spring and autumn have on average mild days and fresh nights, but are changing and unstable. In winter, sunshine is scarce, days are cool, nights cold, but generally above freezing with low temperatures around 3 degrees Celsius. However, the city is known for its intermittent, abrupt, heavy showers. There's quite an diverse range of choices and source of cool festivals and fairs that you should attend in Paris if you want to feel for the city beyond just the standard landmarks and museums. Grand tasting. Clink glasses at the Best French Wines Festival. The Grand Tasting is a 2-day event that every wine lover should attend, featuring wine tasting courses, degustation of recently produced wines, as well as food and wine pairing courses. You'll learn a lot about wine at this event. It is held annually in December. Paris French Festival, an international festival of performing arts dedicated to international theatre and performing arts. The Paris Fringe Festival showcases artists and theatre companies from all around the world. Another oddity of the Paris Fringe Festival is that the main venue it's hosted at and the dates it's held are different from one year to another. Salon du Chocolat. The chocolate lovers rendezvous. This international trade fair showcases artisans, top chefs, chocolate industry companies, and cocoa producers from over 60 countries. From the chocolate fashion show to exhibits of chocolate sculptures and many other events, you'll have the opportunity to sample some of the best chocolates in the world. It's held annually in the end of October. Eiffel Tower. The tower is a classic display of two classes of society defined by their attempts to reach the same destination. Louvre Museum. The iconic Louvre Museum is located in what was once the Louvre Palace, which was built on the banks of the Seine. Montmartre. Montmartre grew around this village square and today is surrounded with restaurants and cafes. Montmartre, an authentic village in the heart of Paris, discovered the incomparable charm of the Montmartre district and its museums, vineyards, windmills, a real melting pot of art and inspiration for the cinema. Montmartre still gives us much pleasure to those who stroll around it and figures high on the list for a stay in Paris. Now it's time for us to talk about Paris' signature experience, that is Walt Disney Studios Park. Dive into the breathtaking worlds of Disney and Pixar, where fantastic shows, attractions, and special seasons will make you feel you are not watching movies, you are living them. There's fun and wonder for little ones and grown ups alike, so get ready to go on some unforgettable adventures. Here, you'll get to see attractions full of action and interaction, shows where you won't believe your eyes, fantastic events and special seasons, character encounters not to be missed, restaurants where you'll dine like a star, Disney parks and Disney village shows, and much more. Will now like to leave, but will come again with information about another interesting destination spot. So stay tuned and do give us a thumbs up if you like our video, and please subscribe and share and just ring the bell notification so that you can catch up with our coming videos. Thanks for watching.